What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I want to break down CPA affiliate marketing realities versus expectations, because a lot of you guys are getting involved with this business model and you're expecting a lot. You're expecting to make 10K your first couple of months. You're expecting to quit your job. You're expecting to, go get that new car and have this lifestyle that you see people who put years of work in to accomplish, right? I took the long, hard road of testing things out and busting my butt so that I can bring you guys these videos so you can understand how you can maybe shortcut it. Now, it may not take you a year or 2 years like it took me to finally start seeing success. It can take you 6 months, right? All you have to do is look at things for the way they are, not the way you hope it to be, right? So if you're sitting there and you're hoping that this offer that you're setting up is going to be the offer that's going to crush it for you, it might not be. So what happens? If you're not a realist like me who pays attention to only my actions, the actions that produce results, I don't pay attention to the results. I don't care if I made $2,000 today. I don't care if I made $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 today. What I do care about is, what did I do that day to produce those results? Because that's what I need to focus on. That's the realist point of view, focusing on what's going to actually get you those results, right? So reality, what's reality? Reality is you need patience. You need patience. When you first get involved with a job, they don't just throw you out there to start just working and doing. They are patient. They take you through a training class, a week, 2 weeks, some jobs, a month of training before you're out there really applying the knowledge that you actually gathered, right? And then from there, they don't just move you up. You don't just climb up that ladder after just a couple of months of working there. You have to sit there and you have to prove yourself. You have to prove that you can do what you actually want to do, right? So what's the thing you need to do with CPA that's going to move you up and get you to that next level? Reality is, it's going to be months of setting up campaigns. It's going to be months of running traffic. It's going to be months of gathering data. It's going to be months of optimizing that data so that you can actually scale to the next level. Now, when you guys see me making $4,000 or $5,000 a day, what did you think I did? Did you think I just logged on and I just got a random offer and I just tested it out, and then like week 3, I was at $4,000 a day? Week 4, I was at $4,000 a day? I have months and months and months and months of data. I have some data that goes back a year. Your expectations are too high. You're expecting to be a super affiliate in some few months, when what you need to do is you need to focus on being patient. You need to focus on your craft. You need to focus on learning and growing, training, getting the information that you need to take you to the next level. So if you're going to be focused on Facebook ads, if you're going to be focused on Microsoft ads, you need to know everything about the platform. You need to know how you can freaking do everything on there. Because I've met so many people who do CPA marketing, and they're like, what's a lookalike? I don't understand lookalikes. And they wonder why they don't make no money with CPA affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not trying to sit here and rag on y'all, because I love y'all. Like, I want y'all to succeed. I don't want you to be this person who comes in this and you quit because your expectations was wrong. I want you to look at this from a realist point of view. What do you actually need to do to see results? And what you actually need to do is you need to actually don't freaking rush the process. Take your time. Who cares if it takes you another year to see results? Who cares if it takes 2 years to see results? What's 2 years besides working a job, and you got to work that job for the next 30, 40 years to be able to retire? If you max out your 401k and can retire, if you make the right investments. Whereas you can come in this business, you can stop trying to get rich quick and take your time for the next 1 month, the next 2 months, the next 3 months, the next 4 months, the next 5 months, the next 6 months. Who cares? How long is 6 months? 180 days? If you can't be patient, if you expect to be rich within 6 months of doing something, I don't care what you're doing. Everything takes time. Of course, there's some flukes. Of course, there's some people out there who did this 1, 2, 3, and it was like magic. You're not them. It might not be you. Your journey might be different. It might take you a little longer. But because it's going to take you a little longer, you want to quit? You've been doing something for 3 weeks, a month, you already looking to throw in the towel because it's not working fast enough, because you spent $300, you spent $400. How much money you think you wasted over your lifetime? How much? Have you wasted money going to all these different restaurants? Have you wasted money just doing stuff, hanging out with friends and just doing nothing? That is going to bring you no return. You wasted all that money. But the moment you spend $100 on Facebook ads, don't really even know what you're doing all the way, but you spent some money learning and just testing, just, getting some skin in the game, and you already ready to quit because you're not rich yet. You're not making a whole bunch of money yet. It's not all the way profitable. This don't work. I'm not profitable yet. Guys, I'm coming from a place of love because it hurts. Like, it hurts to see people just give up so easy. It hurts to see people just not even really try. You think because you did something for 30 days, that's really trying? That's really like, you deserve something for that? Like, that's nothing. Like, when I did this, I'm gonna give y'all how I was able to quit my job, right? I was able to quit my job and never have to work a job again because I stayed patient. I didn't rush the process. I wasn't trying to get rich quick. I said, I want to do this thing right. I learned everything I need to learn about landing pages. I learned everything I need to know about making ads and creating video ads and all this other stuff. I learned everything about marketing. I know so much about marketing. I know so much more about psychology and what makes people tick and things like that. That helps me with my marketing. That helps me make money. And you guys just want to you think you could just take one course or a couple courses or just take a course, period. And you just gonna manifest all the results in the world. Guys, it's your attitude. It's the way you're thinking. You have to be a realist. And if you don't understand how to be a realist, you need to read the 50th Law. This is by Robert Greene and 50 Cent. It's a chapter in there called Intense Realism. Read that chapter. Intense realism. You have to get real. You have to stop expecting everything to just be this magical thing, or you don't want to do it, because that's not the way the world works, right? What I'm really trying to get through to you in this video is you have high expectations. I know it looks good. I know I make it look good. I'm just living my life. I'm living life. I don't have to work a job. I have everything I want in life. You want that too. I understand. But if it takes you 2, 3, 4 years to get there, is that really so bad? Is that really so bad? Whereas if you just sit here and just work that job, you're not getting nowhere. No time soon. That job is not going to get you a free life in 4 years. So why can't you just focus? Why can't you just be like, you know what? I'm in this for the long haul. Let me figure out everything I need to know with this business model. Let me go over the course 3, 4 more times. Let me buy this other course. Let me do this. Let me do that. Let me just learn. And even when you feel like you know everything, you're not acting like you know everything. You're still like, I need to learn more. That's reality. These expectations you guys have, y'all just want to be rich quick. And if you approaching it from that angle, I want to be rich quick, you're not going to get rich. You're not going to make no money. You're never going to be financially free. You're never going to have time freedom. You're never going to be able to work from anywhere because your expectations is too high. You have to humble yourself and realize where you're at. Now, for some people, it's not far-fetched because they're already in that mode. They already know what it really takes. But for some of you guys are just getting started online. Some of you guys are just like really starting to grasp the concepts online and grasp what CPA affiliate marketing and grasp what's going on. And you're already looking to be rich just because you can grasp a concept. You have to master the concept. Master. All right. So that's my little, I guess, rant for today. I just wanted to just break that down because a lot of you guys got high expectations and I'm a realist. So I'm gonna give you the real, right? All right, so that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you on the next. Peace.